or B. Okay, so let the total number of voters be X. Now someone, let's say A got 62%. So 62% means what? 0.62 into X, right? Percent means 62 upon 100. See here, I have shown it over here. 62 upon 100 into X. That's the meaning of 62% of X, right? So 0.62x. So winner got 0.62x. So what will the loser get then? See here, total number of voters is X and winner got 0.62. So loser will get X minus 0.62. Getting it? Suppose let's say winner got 60 votes. So what will be the loser get if there are total 100 voters? 100 minus 60. Same logic. X minus 0.62x. So solve this. Loser got x minus 0.62x, that is 0.38x. Now see here, winner has got 0.62x, loser has got 0.38x. So winner minus loser, okay, that will be the gap of the votes, that is the margin by which the winner won. So winner minus loser, that is given as what? 144 votes, means winner got elected by 144 votes. So winner minus loser equals to 144. So solve this then. 0.62x minus 0.38x, right, equals to 144. So solve this. 0.62x minus 0.38x equals to 0.24x equals to 144. So x equals to, take 0.24 over here below. So add two zeros now because you are removing this point from here. So it becomes 14400 upon 24. Solve this. 12 2s and 12 12s and 0 then 2 1s and 2 600s. You need to learn the tables up to 30 by heart, squares up to 30 by heart and cubes up to 15 by heart. We have separate videos for that. Sync behind those videos on a daily basis. You learn them within 3 months, but do it with a discipline. So x equals to 600. Total number of voters is 600. That's what is required. Download YuvaGuru app from Play Store to get these videos, tests, question banks with explanations directly on your mobile. Get 500 plus questions with explanations and case studies on your PC. It's a separate paid version. Follow us on Facebook on this link. WhatsApp us on this number for any query related to purchases. Keep studying, keep watching. Thanks. To watch the videos further, kindly download YuvaGuru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What to get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.